What is happening, YouTube? Okay, so today I just want to make a quick video of why traders fail. So, the main reason traders fail, well, there's a couple of reasons, but I think the main one personally is not sticking to one strategy. So basically you'll learn a strategy, it might work, but then you'll have a couple of losses, you'll be like, this does not work. So you'll move on to the next strategy, same again thing will happen, you'll get a couple of wins, and then you'll get a couple of losers. Instead of refining it, you go, oh, this strategy doesn't work, on to the next one, on to the next one, and you'll just keep doing this in a vicious cycle. And you'll never really stick with a strategy because you're just not giving it long enough. So what you need to do is find a strategy that you like. So you could either go, okay, I'm going to trade the 4-hour structure down to 15-minute intraday structure, and then I'm going to trade the 1 minute when we're trading on a 15-minute trend. Yeah, so obviously we're going to pull back on a 15-minute, trade the 1 minute on the first break of structure or whatever. So you say I'm going to stick to that. But then you'll trade that and it won't work, and you go, this doesn't work, or you'll see someone put something on social media talking about, okay, I've got this new strat, an algo strat, 2000% return this month or week or whatever, or the trader's making all these massive returns, and you're like, I want to do that. But instead of just keeping it really simple, now I don't use any indicators, I just use pure price action. And the reason I do this is because you can really read the markets when you're just watching pure price action. An indicator only tells you what happened previously, that's all it's telling you. But by watching price action, breaks of structure, the way the market's moving, the way the candles open and close, tells you everything you need to know. Who's in charge? Are the buyers weak? Are the buyers strong? Are the sellers weak? Are the sellers strong? Candles tell you all this. So when you're picking your strategy, try not to rely on indicators too much. Try and really learn candle by candle what that market's telling you. And then when you learn that, you can really learn your strategy. Like you could just do a 4-hour continuation trade. So obviously a break of structure on the 4-hour, a pullback, and then a 15-minute break, or whatever. But whatever strategy you are trying to master, don't give up on it, because every strategy is going to need refinements. So if you're trading the 4-hour and then 1 or 2 times doesn't work, that does not mean your strategy does not work. That's just the way the market goes. But you know, over a period of time, say with 3 months, that you've taken, say, 30 trades and 21 of them was profitable and 9 wasn't, then you know, obviously that strategy works. But when you're doing it on a micro level, so if you really zoomed in going, oh, this week it hasn't worked, then you're not really giving that strategy a chance. So my advice to you guys is try and stick with a strategy, back test the strategy. Know you're gonna have losses on that strategy, but stick with it on over a 3-month period. And if that strategy is profitable, then it's going to show you that. So my advice, guys, is if you're learning a strategy now, don't give up on that strategy. Really stick with it. I mean, like practice it, and maybe just go down to one currency pair and practice just on that, or just back testing that instead of trying to do 20 when it gets confusing. But we'll really try and nail down that strategy. And then from there, once you're profitable and you're being consistent, then you can start maybe looking into other strategies. But the key to success with trading is getting profitable on that first strategy. Once you've done that and you build confidence, consistency, then obviously you can lead into other things. So I hope that helps, guys. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. And yeah, and have a good weekend, guys. Cheers.